Let's go. No. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the weekly stream for eCommerce 99. Today with me, I have this way.
I am Robin.
He is Robin, and he's not a robot. What you might have thought after that introduction. Hi, Robin. Who are you?
Why would I? Why would I be a robot?
I don't
understand the
know.
concept.
Like these
Are
days, you
you a
never know
robot?
with AI. This is all AI generated.
Yeah, that's true. Busted.
So how are you doing?
I'm good. I
Nice.
I have so this is my first live stream that I'm doing ever. Like I've
Really?
never live streamed anything. I mean, even like Instagram Live or Facebook, whatever.
Well, you're in
So I
for a
put on my
treat.
geekiest shirt. You see?
Is that Mickey Mouse?
And I'm out. That
Yeah,
was the
we,
last.
we we need to farm the hate comments to get more publicity, you know?
Okay. Wow. Wow.
But I
Okay.
mean, it's Disney now. It's basically Mickey Mouse. It could be under the helmet.
That is true.
Hmm.
That is true.
Hmm.
Yeah, they're buying
It
everything.
was a very meta joke. Um,
How are you
Robin's,
doing?
your volume is a little bit low. Can you
Oh,
pump up your volume?
Robin's volume is a bit low. I don't know if I can. Can
Um, Let me see. Can you say something? Okay.
I? I can say what I had for breakfast, which
So
was actually nothing.
now you should be louder in the stream. I
Okay.
like, finally, I'm in charge about everything. You say something I don't like, I can mute you or make you louder. I like to
Good.
keep it up. Okay, but so what are you doing with the game? Why are you here?
So I am a. What am I doing with the game? I make all the UI. I made the cat animate characters.
Yes, in game.
And the thing that we're here to talk about, right? The website builder.
Exactly, because we have like done two streams now about building a debug tool, and we can continue that later. But I thought like maybe it's nice to switch things up a little bit. So
Yes.
that's why we have Robin here. So do you want? So here's the big question: do you want me to show it in the editor, or do you want me to show it in the game? What do you prefer?
Um, will there be any I guess in the editor we can debug things
Good.
uh, a
Then
little bit,
let's
right?
then let's do editor. Also, I will do some scene changes now, and I don't know which scene I'm actually supposed to be on. So give me a second. Nope. Nope. Yes. Perfect. It was the last one, the one I wanted to press first, and then I thought, no, you're smart enough to put it on top right below the one you actually need, or you actually have at the beginning. But no, I did not change any order.
Good.
Good.
Perfect.
Okay, so we're in the editor. Let's just jump into the game, and then we can talk about it a little bit. Do you want to talk about the concept while I do that? What is the website builder?
Well, I'm glad you asked, my lovely dear friend. But honestly, you were the one who created this concept. Uh, you told me we need a website builder because the game is not only about simulation, it's like a lot broader. It's about starting your company, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the company is obviously e-commerce, so it needs the website to be this main point where you actually sell all the wares. And then you said it needs to be a cookie clicker game.
I'm
Those
really
were
into idle games.
literally those are literally the two things that you gave me. And I worked with design. I've worked with websites so many times before. So I took those exact terms and made something, and this is the result. But I guess the concept is really to build your website from scratch. You have absolutely nothing when you start, like an ugly, really ugly ass website that says your title and buy my products, right? And then once you and you unlock things as you go, just with time, and it's all supposed to look like
eBay in the 90s. I don't
that
know.
is my main inspiration.
Here,
That
let's.
image is my main inspiration.
Can I make this somehow bigger? Let's see.
I don't think you see it on stream though, do you?
You know, I'm sharing this the whole. Let me double check, but I'm pretty sure because I'm sharing the whole screen. Oh yeah, why? Oh, because. Oh, okay. Give me a second. Um, Let me. Here, I can do this.
I also didn't think you see me on the screen.
No,
Not
that
that
also
I need
disappeared.
myself to be
That
visible
sometimes
or
happens.
anything.
Oof, give me a second. How do I? No, this is. Give me 1 second. I need to figure this out. So first off, I need to um, change this. Okay, no. Okay, delete this. I'm almost there. Just give me like 10 more minutes. Somewhere in OBS. Ah, display.
What?
There it is.
10?
10 more minutes. Yeah, very, very simple. What the hell is happening here? Is it this one? Yes. Okay. So now we're going to see the whole thing. So this is the eBay website. You talk over it, and I rearrange us while I make this happen.
But am I even, can you even hear me though?
Yes, I can hear you. And say
Okay.
something.
No, I think I can, I think I can hear myself.
Yes.
That's awesome. Technical difficulties are the best. So what you're seeing now is the main inspiration that I used as to basically build the website builder that we're building inside the game. And so I'm a designer, right? And I like designing beautiful things. And I watch this and I pretty much
What could be more
wanna
beautiful
die.
than this?
I mean, it is literally it's all the colors of the rainbow, but in the worst way, and just everything at the same time. And there's no clarity, like no clarity at all. And the thing is, when you're designing a game, you kind of want a little bit of clarity and a little bit of, you know, you can't just show this and be like, yeah, there's a website. So yeah, the concept or like the thing that you gave me in terms of like this is what you need to design for the game was pretty much yeah, it was really really difficult
Yeah.
to
And
build something out of it.
I guess the idea as well from the start was, so you have an e-commerce business, right? And initially we went without having the e-commerce part of the business. It was just the business, fulfill orders and everything. But
Yeah.
like this part is quite a big thing in the whole story. Actually having a website, and then, but we also didn't want to make it overly complicated, right? I think you did multiple design approaches. The first one was about actually being able to rearrange things, choose colors, like write the text yourself and everything, and that felt too complicated for most players. If you're not a designer like yourself, it felt like I for example, I'm not a designer. I would have just like thrown it out and like it would have looked shit. So we were thinking about like, so if it looks shit anyway, why not eBay in the 90s?
Yes.
No,
Correct.
but
And when
yeah.
we're going for the 90s vibe, right? So we needed it to be grounded in the story that we're telling the player, right?
Yes.
But obviously we needed it to be a little bit nicer and a little bit gamified. So yeah, yeah, that's where it
So
all started.
before we start going further, why is it still Lucas Wears and not the person's company name? Maybe it is because I just started from the wrong scene in the editor.
You start from the editor, right?
Yeah. Okay. This is the default name.
Correct.
Okay.
It's your wares.
It's your exactly good. So at the moment we see like this doesn't not necessarily look like the picture we saw before with eBay yet, right? It has like some very. Can I put this next to each other somehow? I can, right? Yes. Whoop. like this is how the website actually looks like, right? This is a preview of your website, if I'm not mistaken, and we basically have this part here right now. So how do you get to this whole thing? Well, I know it's a rhetorical question, but you tell us so I can do the things.
Yes. So, well, you designed the system of getting the points. Maybe you should go into the
Oh yes.
design points first, and then we can go into how you spend them.
Okay, so the idea was, okay, we want to incentivize the player to actually build a corporation, right? Like Amazon didn't stop with we're fulfilling orders. They then build offices where they have people sitting, where they have web designers actually creating the websites, like doing A and B tests to make sure that you are as easy convinced of a sale than you can be, and we wanted to simulate it in a certain way. I also realized I forgot the lighting. Oh my god, I was flashbanged. But how do we do that in the game without making it overly complicated and basically just replicating the job in real life, right? This is often a problem with deep simulations. You're not making a game, you're making a simulation, which is not very fun to play, right? So how do you do this? And we came up with this idea of design points, where you basically create design points that you can then spend on something. So this is basically this was first a research system, actually, where we said like you would research something and then you can adopt the thing. And in the designers would invest time to figure out, okay, I want to research, I think it was like new call to action buttons, for example, and then they would accumulate design points or research points back then, and then eventually that would unlock. That was used for the system we discussed before, where you actually create where you like manage different looks on different buttons and things like that. So it was very in depth, but it took away a bit from like the core gameplay loop of fulfilling orders and growing your business. So we went to design points, which is basically this is the amount of work that was generated by you and your web designers that you can then invest in actually unlocking new things on your website. And you produce them in two ways. One is, as I mentioned, yourself. So you have like, I think you get like 1 design points a second. The problem is, as you can see, like you can actually get quite expensive. The new, what's it called, the new modules are getting quite expensive eventually. But you can hire web designers. So these are people that you actually need to provide with a desk, and they then also provide you with design points. So over time, you actually build up a staff of web designers to get more and more design points, to really build this feeling, okay, I need more and more people to upkeep my website, because it becomes more and more complicated, but it also gives you more and more boni, because every of those modules is giving you a bonus in the game. Was that?
So
Yes.
that is correct. That is a very good explanation. What is bony? You keep saying bony.
So it's the
To me, that sounds sexual or something.
What? Okay. We don't have to get there. We will have a conversation afterwards why body sounds sexual for you. But
I might need therapy.
I didn't want to say it. No, but isn't that the plural of bonus? Or is this bonuses?
Bonuses, right? Bony?
Maybe in German it's bonai. Bonus?
Bonsai. Oh, the bonsai
bonuses.
trees. Yeah, okay,
Bonuses.
you're talking about. That makes sense. Yeah.
Bonai. I will call them bonai from now on. Maybe that's clearer.
Yeah.
Yes, you
No,
get more
it
than
sounds
one
cool, at
bonus.
least.
Yes, fair enough. Thank you for pointing out my lacking English skills on stream in a very public space that will live on the internet forever.
Yeah, no worries. No worries. That's what I'm here for.
So what do you do with the design points then? Tell me what to click
Yes.
so people can actually see what happens.
I think the funnest thing to click. Well, let's put some products active first, right?
Okay.
That's the first bit.
Okay, let's.
So the website builder also includes the products that you have on your website, where you can. I think you've already done a lot of this, right? You can write descriptions, you
Yeah.
can change your prices, and actually personalize all of that stuff. But once you publish them, they actually come live on your website. So here they are. It looks like shit, just like it did back then, but with the design points that you get. I hate that reference. Oh my god! What did they think?
Well, I mean, now they're being almost, or like GameStop tries to buy them, so I guess they, they didn't make the best decisions.
Yeah, yeah, I guess. You can go into the product grid module. So you basically have a couple of different modules. We only have a couple of selected ones, right? Then it's the products, the header, the footer, and the sidebar, right? But let's go into one of the modules, which is the products one, because that's the easiest one to actually understand what happens and what you can do with design points. So buy the product images.
Oh my god! I can already see, like, it basically looks exactly the same now.
That is correct. Yeah, that is the main inspiration of the glorious eBay in '99 or something.
Sell your
Let's
item.
call it
In the
99.
chat. Register. It's free and fun.
Is that a cat?
Yes, there's a cat here. I also
there's a
thought
cat
it was a cat as well, but it's a hen.
It's
Scare
also
up
like
everything you
cool
can conjure.
features, but the T is big. They just have like random letters are just big everywhere.
I'm telling you, this is coming back. This is how website will look like in like 3-4 years.
Well, you see by my products, right? The title on the product grid.
Oh,
See the S is big there.
featured stats. Where? Oh, you did it. You mean on your hours? Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, exactly. It's like inspiration, you know? It's the
No.
thing that you. Yeah, but you can actually change it there. So if you go to content, you can actually change it to something. Maybe you can write.
So
something.
I can't write at the moment because the debug system is on. And if I now type in the letters, which we used the old debug system for, then actually, you know what I can do? Oh, right here I can just turn off the debugger. Yeah, that's why we needed the new debug console. So let's turn this off.
Yeah.
Now
Go
we
look
can
at that
type.
stream.
Because
Or
I think, to be
die.
accurate, this should be like this. Because if you look here, it's always in the middle. No, that's not true. Stats on their categories. What? Huh? So T's are in the
Yeah, I
middle,
think
but
it's just
S.
random.
And there's no design consistency.
No, I think that's the whole point. But
Oh.
yeah. So, but yeah, okay. So this is what it does. This is what the design points does to your system. And maybe we can go buy something new. Do we have any? Oh yeah.
It's
Now
just
you
like,
get the bonuses.
oh yes.
See?
Yeah, there's the bonus. So every
Yeah,
single
exactly.
module basically adds a bonus, like the GIFs or GIFs, depending on which side you fall in
GIFs.
this
Huh?
divide. So
GIFs?
apparently the creator of GIFs said it's pronounced GIFs. There's a very
Who's
funny
the creator
meme.
of GIFs?
Sorry, what?
Who's the creator of GIFs? How accurate is this?
I think it's
stats?
John Wordsworth II of GIF or GIF.
His last name is GIF.
No, that's a joke. No, it's no, but apparently he wants it to pronounce GIFs, which makes no sense because it stands for graphical interface or something. I don't know. It's something with G. But anyway, this one provides you with 2% brand awareness. This one reads brand awareness as well. Oh, a lot of those actually are for brand awareness. Because they're the main module, so they're on the main page. But then you have things like on the. No, I bought the sidebar. But let's buy this
You have
now.
to click the button, yeah.
And in the sidebar, that's a new main module, right? For example, you can have brand awareness, or you can have discounts for your Mr. Shelf Life, which is the furniture creator. And the idea here is, like you mentioned before, Cookie Clicker, right? And I think it's worth mentioning that you, like after I introduced you to Cookie Clicker, you spent an enormous amount of time in the game and
I finished it.
You finished
Yeah.
it. He clicked
That
the cookie.
took, I think, 4 months.
Yes, so the game could have been out 4 months earlier, but unfortunately we lost Robin to cookies. um,
Yes.
so the idea was, okay, so we don't want this to be a self-contained cookie clicker, right? What we want to have is you are creating design points in there, you do upgrades. These upgrades help you to do more in the main gameplay loop. So, for example, the loyalty increase means every time you sell a product and you have a good rating, the likelihood of the person coming back increases. And if your loyalty increase has a bonus, the amount it increases goes bigger. If you have brand awareness, that's on top of the likelihood that somebody is actually coming into your on your store. And then we have other things like brand income, which at the moment is calculated wrong. We will not have, what's that, 3 million% extra income. These are some high numbers.
Well, click the ads. You need to show how they look. I would say that is definitely around 3,000%.
That is true. This is actually amazing. So the idea was you make more money outside of the game, which allows you to hire more web designers, which allow you to have more design points, which allow you to get more modules, which allow you to do more web designs and so on. So you have this cookie clicker feeling tied as like a side quest kind of in the main operating modus of the game. That was a weird sentence.
Yeah, but it's it's correct. It's good. It's good.
Yeah.
Yes, and basically the design system around it. Not that we're gonna get that much into design, but the design system around it is that it actually upgrades as the game progresses. Like we have some sort of fantasy connected to the game, right? Where it's based in the 90s, and then as you progress, I'm guessing that like the years would progress as well, and the UX, the design, and the products would come with the what do you call it? When they get better,
improvements,
evolve, improve, exactly. So the design is basically starting with eBay, right? But as we have 5 levels, don't we?
I think
Total.
yes, 5 levels.
So it starts with eBay, the eBay image that we just shown, and then it goes from there to having the time when everything was really, really hard to design. I know that all my designer friends will know exactly what this means, when buttons just were 3D plus like pixel perfect, had like borders and shadows and
is that what you're talking
maybe
about?
you can actually see. Yes, this is actually exactly what I'm talking about.
That's eBay 2010.
2010, where it's like there's so many things happening. It's still not well designed, but it's so many things happening. And for a designer, this is like the hardest thing to design.
I mean,
but yeah, so it's growing from that.
Is this really an improvement?
I wouldn't say so.
Where's the cat?
Like, where's the cat? Where's the big T? Where's the big S?
You can. Oh my God, 2009 to 2010.
Oh yeah.
Hallelujah.
No, this is actually better. Go from 2009, because that's the part where it's like you see the buttons, how they have like a 3D.
Oh yeah.
They have a gradient. They have like all these things, and yeah, it was just a real big mess to.
I guess you can kind of say before we got the picture, this was the first one, right? This was literally just like
pretty much
2000.
And that's that one.
Oh, this is amazing. I didn't know this website. Yeah,
we skipped that one,
and
that's the one exactly. It's like one of the big design trends. And then if you go to 2020 maybe,
wait, I want to, like, I'm sorry, I'm too invested in this. And they're slowly getting better. I mean,
stream ends at 11 or 12 tonight. Luke is still clicking on dates.
Have you seen? Okay, 2020.
Yeah.
To be honest, it didn't change that much. Like 2014. I mean, okay, it changed, but like
Yeah.
They're adding back more color. Is this the
Yeah.
inspiration for the last step?
Well, it changed maybe more around 2015 or something. It depends on which websites and who were the first ones to do it.
Yeah.
But yeah, exactly. More of this design language where it became bigger, clearer. Like design had a reason to exist. You don't just put things there because it looks cool.
But where are the cats?
Yeah. I mean, look at that. I mean, what would you click there? Which one of all the links would you click there? You just click all of them? No, you didn't because it was 1999. It would take like a minute to load each site, right?
I mean, half of them fail anyway.
Yeah, fair. No, but so we have that inside the system that you can first buy all the modules, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then once you've bought all the modules, you can actually upgrade them. And we have 5 different levels, and every second level that they come, the design actually changes. And my biggest issue, maybe you can go into the website builder. I think I have level 3 for the header, for example. And my biggest hardship with this as a designer is to like, how would these modules actually work together?
Yes.
Even though they're on different, like, yeah, exactly, they're updates. Even though they're on different years or different designs, right?
Yeah.
But I think it works, right?
Yes.
Like so far it works, which is pretty crazy.
Let's see. Don't I have enough?
Oh no, so now it's already upgraded to level 3. I don't think it goes to level 5 yet. But if you add the description and the shopping cart and things,
what the hell just happened?
They should.
Oh, I crashed something.
Did you break the system?
We got an argument out of
I just told everyone that it was bulletproof.
that's you should have done that.
I know.
Yeah, and I think one important thing as well, like where it also comes in with the levels, because you have different. Let me see. Can we go back here? No, but basically, let me restart this. You have like 2 kinds of upgrades, right? You have the modules, or you have the main modules and then the modules. The modules give you certain boni, and the main modules, and you can also level them up over time. And then the main modules, when you level them up, they actually give you boni for everything that's under them. So everything in the header gets better. So there is some kind of cumulative effect, like in other clickers.
Correct.
We have someone ask or make a suggestion. Would be cool if you had return mechanics you could add to the website, a way for people to return items. Then you could have whole restocking mechanic and get good reviews. I like that idea. I will put that on the
right.
mechanics
like one of the
to explore.
Yeah, exactly. But that could easily be like a widget, right? That just adds. I mean, for me, it's easy to add a module. For you, it's hard to add the actual functionality.
Yeah, the function, I think.
So I'll just add it in. Easy.
Okay. Actually,
thank you, Max Jacob Cohen.
Let me do this. I want a lot of designs. Oh, and welcome back, Max. It's nice to see you return. So let's. I will just unlock a few things just to show off a few things at the product as well, just to show how things are looking.
What you can actually do is if you add all the modules to the header first.
Yeah. Okay, the header. Yep. Description. We could now.
Oh, you're adding bonuses. Show off the bonuses first.
Yeah. Then search bar. So like the thing really changes like how it looks like right now. It looks more like a website already. We want the sidebar. Let's add. Wait. I think this is something that is still, because you use it in the tutorial, right? You want to use it, so that's a bit special how you buy it.
Correct.
I see. So, media widget, I love it.
Jeff.
Let's also
Everyone
upgrade this
loves
quickly.
Jeff.
Let's add all this stuff. I love how the whole thing becomes so cluttered.
You need more products though.
Yes. I
It's going to
can
become even more cluttered though. But
wait. I can unlock a few more. Did I unlock more products now? No. Because I turned off the debug. Yeah, but like the idea is like you're getting more and more to a website from like at the beginning it was this plus this, right? And now you have something that already looks more, and you get a lot of different bony. And now you want me to do something in the header, right?
yeah, I mean, we can see if I did a good job. So yes, exactly. If you
Okay,
upgrade it 2 times,
I need to get more design points.
earn more money. Earn more
Clicking
money.
as fast as I can.
Wasn't this the thing that broke it last time?
No, I think it was. I tried to upgrade it past 5.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. If you upgrade it again and go back to the main page. Yes.
Oh, everything
You
updated.
see the difference?
Oh, that's so cool.
That is cool.
I actually
That is
haven't
the
seen that
power
yet.
of UXML and USS. I'm telling you, Luca, this is the future.
Can we? Oh, yes. That's cool. You know what we should do? I say that because you would do it. We should have a more modern AdWord as well, if you get it.
Yeah. No, but that is actually the plan. I still haven't designed the level 5 or
Whoa, hallelujah.
implemented. That looks sick.
I
That's
mean,
perfect, yeah.
you really want conversion here.
Yeah. I mean, that's what I'm meaning. Like, design should be intentional. What do you want? Do you want to sell a charging cable, or do you like want to display a weird website?
Do you want to sell charging cables forever? Oh, this one? Why can't we? There's also a level requirement, right? Or why can't we
Yes.
unlock those yet?
Yes.
Yeah, so you with the level up, you will get more things you can actually explore on this.
Correct. And I mean, these are the things that we'll probably iterate over like months and months after release, right?
Yeah.
Like those small, cool things that existed back then that were absolutely insane and so fun back in the 90s, right?
Yes. Becky's blog, cat toys, friends of Eddie's, today's weather. I like it. It's nice.
Yeah.
Thanks for giving the game a go, Max. Like it will be really interesting to see what you think. But there are still a lot of bugs, as you can see. We were thinking about sorry, Robin, I'm just answering chat. I don't know if you're in the chat as well. See what they.
Yeah, I'm looking
they
at the
think.
chat as well, but I'm having such a hard time talking and looking at the same time. I don't know how you do that.
You just talk whatever comes to your mind. It's complete gibberish.
Don't say anything of meaning. Okay, good.
Yes.
Good. That's awesome.
Cool. Do you want to look at anything else with the web designer?
I think we ran through it.
Cool. Because then, if you want, we can show a few. The debug controller is on again. I could have unlocked this thing. Like we looked into the small warehouse as well, right? Maybe we can show off that a little bit.
Cool.
Because that's relatively new. We haven't looked at this. Like it still needs a lot of work, right? But the idea is that you have this is this would be the first place to actually expand it. Let me see if I actually fix this, that you can't go outside anymore. No, okay, good, I fixed it. And this would be the first place most likely you would expand into. You can skip it if you want. And again, there's still a lot to do with the textures and everything. I just put something together now. But there you have more space. You have a little bit of a small office space as well. So yeah, quite excited that we finally have this one bit in. And then after that, probably, I always turn away from the doors. You have the small office, which I now fixed as well. You can see the...
Oh shit, there's no bugs anymore.
Yeah, I fixed that. So now you can actually...
No, the buildings outside.
Oh yeah, I mean, that's
look
not
great.
that's not a bug. I think we probably want to put some, I don't know, clouds or something there. I mean, I
I actually
fixed that
like
you
they're
can.
floating in the. It's futuristic.
Oh, true. It can like cyberpunk suddenly from the 90s to cyberpunk. It's it's all the people smoking in the 90s. It's all the dust coming from
Yeah,
the street.
blues. Yeah, that makes sense.
But you know how long it took me that we actually have something that people can't jump out of the windows?
Yeah, I heard that was an issue.
Yes, for a long time.
Game development.
Oh yes. Let's put some stuff in. Packing desk. This. Oh, side table. I don't know if we ever shown the actual decoration part of the, yeah. Not starting, which one do we, this is the cat, oh, it's a small one. You can use this one as also for your workers to actually take, use, or what's called. Tell me what's called, please. What's wrong here?
Huh?
Oh, haven't I?
Lamps.
I need to set up this table with the new placement system. That's why it's not working. No, a packing station for the workers, because maybe you just want to have what's called tape on here, so people can go here tape, or you use the bigger ones that we have in the other one. Let's see if.
But you're always like talking systems and how to make it really good. I mean, I guess there's the people that will also just make it nice and how they want it to be designed, right?
Isn't
Like,
it
they want a lamp
like
there
that?
just because
I mean, it's beautiful.
it is. It is. Yeah, it's tremendously beautiful. Actually, That's what I was gonna say next.
Thank you. Actually, let's. Let me actually see if I can do something a bit fun. I want this. Should we have a pin? No, I haven't set up the wall colliders yet. What would you want? Like, we're planning to have more custom, like, what's called cosmetic items that you can place on your worker's desk. Why is always it's?
I mean, the lava lamp is the best one.
Yeah.
Why is that one not unlocked yet?
I think I only
faster.
unlock until level 20 with that button, and it comes after level 20. But that will not be a problem with the new one. It gives us so much personality if you place more items on the desk.
I love Max is just so excited.
Wow, warehouse! Now, wouldn't you want to work on that?
That's cute.
That one?
That is cute. Yeah.
Like you can design a lot. The cat can live here. It can't jump out anymore.
The workers can actually sit on those as you design them as well, right? So you're basically designing the things that they are sitting on.
Exactly. And I mean, one of the ideas that we have, again, for future potential mechanics is that you can place certain items on there to make them work better. As well with the... How did the cat get here?
That is amazing. I know why it came there.
Why did it come here?
Should I tell you why it came there?
Did you have...
So,
yeah, okay.
There's,
Is it this one?
Whenever you place... No, I wish it was. Whenever you place that chair, because it's my try-on chair.
This one?
The stool. The small little...
This
that one, exactly. It finds it, and then it acts as like one of these things that it can jump onto.
I don't think the nav mesh is set up in this...
No.
this location.
Oh, I love that. Can you put it outside?
I will try. I think it gets annoyed that I... Oh, that's so creepy. Hello. Did you do your job today?
I mean, those are the kind of things that we should put in there. Flying cats just come and go.
So I had this one idea. What we should do is, so in the garage, like you have this outside area here, right? And there's no grass yet, but the idea was whenever you fire someone, they're slowly going there, and you don't really see them when you're just playing, but eventually you might hop over here and see that there's a huge amount of people that you fire during the game protesting you.
Protesting you?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, like, we want our jobs back or something. Unionize now.
Wow.
And then
I mean, I wouldn't dismiss that idea. More out of the horror, more than like the actual truthness of it.
the horror.
Yeah, it would just be like you would just be playing the game. You would have like this
Oh
amazing
yes,
time, right? And then suddenly you would just be like, "Oh my god, whoa!" You know?
these are some
Oh,
clary windows.
that is cool. I like
Yes,
that.
we decided to look into lighting all the way at the end.
Yeah, yeah. But you
Uh,
should show the. It's the cutest thing. The thing with the cat on the stool. So if you
oh yes,
stop
wait.
the thing
Let
and
me.
start the thing in the garage again, I think.
Oh, okay. Start again.
I love that this show was supposed to be about the website builder, but now we're
Who
just gonna
cares?
keep doing random stuff until an hour passes.
I kind of feel that's most streams.
Yeah,
Okay.
most streets in the world, I guess. Yeah.
Yes.
So what you need is the
Oh.
mini desk thing.
Oh, I pressed the wrong button to unlock everything. Where is it? There it is.
Correct. And then you would just place it somewhere. Whoa, that
What?
was cool.
Oh, I think I messed up the color green. You see that? It's now brown.
Oh yeah,
Maybe I
game
changed.
development.
It might be that I changed the material accidentally. Okay, and now we wait. Ooh.
Yeah, look, it's happening. Wait for it.
Whoa! That's so cool.
Isn't that cute?
Yes. Can we build him a little
So-
throne?
Whenever you put down the furniture, it's supposed to ping the cat that this is a possibility to go there. And I think that's what actually screwed up your, so you couldn't place it there anymore. But that's what's supposed to happen. It's supposed to be this
Ah.
more interaction given to the cat so it can actually interact with the objects of the world. So, for example, if you would place a shelf and you don't have products on it yet, that's a possibility for the cat to interact with, instead of just having the few points of contact that there are. Shelves aren't put up yet. It's only the small little chair.
Oh.
now.
Okay.
But that's why it probably transported and teleported to the small office before.
Let's actually see if this works. Sorry, I'm doing some bug bashing right now. I just. Huh? Ah, no, everything's fine. Already unlocked. Okay. But this was because I pressed it. Now it's continuously jumping up and down. Come here,
Yeah,
cat.
it adds it as a possibility. And then
Out
it
of
kinda
my way.
Goes goes random.
Have some food.
Ian just wrote in the Slack channel, ha 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 ha, I had no idea that he could do that.
Nice. Wait,
So-
didn't you post the GIF of it even in
Yeah,
our?
I did. We need to talk to that guy, I think.
Yes. Let's turn down the light, give it some peace and quiet to sleep.
Oh, that's actually kind of cute.
Yeah. It's nice. Like the lighting. I really like the lighting already. It's mostly the other places that bit sad.
Yeah.
Bit sad. As you can see the other side. We need to do more with the outside as well. But I guess like the inside is more important for now.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool. Do you want to oh. Actually. You were the most excited about shit, can I do this? Yes. Okay. Oh no, no, is it the No, I haven't set up the placement of the I had such a good plan. Okay. For next time, I wanted to do a new record on stream again. My record now is I think 12, but I was thinking, how do I get more? And you know where I can get higher than on table?
Well, it's distance, right, to where you threw it.
Yeah, but like
Or no, it's actually distance when it lands.
exactly. So it is like first off, like the diagonal is still longer than the hypotenuse is longer than just standing here, and then also I can throw it farther because it will take some time to go down. But I need to set up that the placement here, which is kind of sad that I can't place it here now. Well, what can you do?
Well, have you tried running? I think that would be the absolute
Oh, I always
best.
run.
Oh, okay.
That you mean like?
You're already elite.
Oh.
Whoa,
I need to have
that's
it
close. You got
against the
this score.
wall so it bounces off. Whoa! That wasn't even close. 12. Okay.
12. You know what I think? Because it interacts with when it just goes there, right?
Yeah.
So if you would put like chairs and objects in front of the garbage can, so
Yeah.
it actually doop 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 and kind of, or no, that wouldn't actually change it.
I think we need to build high, and for that we need to set up the other warehouse. Huh. No. This one's also
Wasn't even
heavier.
close.
Huh? Oh, you don't get points for not throwing away. Oh, another bug. That's good to know. You don't get points if you throw away furniture boxes. Writing that down.
Oh, really? That's like the most important bug that we have right now, right?
Yes.
That was probably a high score, but we'll never know.
Yes. So. Why?
No way to get
sorry.
more points is actually to just add more points to. I mean, you're the game developer, right? You
Yeah,
could
but
actually
like
be-
I mean, that's just a different frame of reference.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. I mean, we did want to try to add things, right? Like you get a bony from bouncing it off of things, right? Or like doing a 360, or like doing other things with the box, right?
Yes, that is very fair. That's also on the future. What do you call it? Feature list.
Yeah.
So like we have like a bit less than 50 minutes left. But I have you here for the first time. Is there any UI things you want to talk about?
Wow. I don't know. I feel like no, not really. I feel like the website builder is the main thing that's like connects the actual time of things, right? We could look into the new character animations if you want to.
Oh, yeah, that's
But
really
I feel
cool.
like, yeah. Oh wow, there they are.
Sample text and Mr. Sample Text. Oh, they're happy.
Yeah,
Hi.
you see, they can. So I mean, there's a lot of things that we're adding in this new one.
I feel we're also
And
quite
it's gonna
small now.
take. It's gonna take a lot of time. Yeah, I love that they're getting happy. I mean, so what we're adding is personality. To anyone who doesn't do game development, this will probably make no sense. So I'm gonna try to explain it really quickly. There's two ways you can animate. You do it via humanoids, or you do it generically. And generically means you get full. You can do whatever you want, basically. And humanoids, they only have a certain amount of bones and a certain amount of things, so they're easier to animate, but they will obviously look worse and with no personality. So now we've changed them to generic, which means we can do whatever we want, which means that I can add personality to these people. And what we've done is basically tried to add sad looking, first job kind of people who are like hanging and being really low and not really liking their position but kind of wanting to be happy. And we've added expression so they can be sad, they can be scared, they can be happy. If you fire someone, if you can try to, I think we've added animations for that as well.
It looked like you killed him.
I know.
No.
So they become sad, they puff away in some pixels, and it says, "What about my family?" Which is pretty harsh, I would say.
Also,
We really need to change that.
they're not working anymore. Ay,
They're
ay,
not
ay.
working, huh?
Yeah, this one is not picking up the stuff. I'm pretty sure it's not getting close enough to the pickup point. Pick a clown. Wait, so we want this one. Where is it? Office desk. Here. Sorry, I'm just. But it's exactly here. Why is it not picking up this?
Live bug fixing. I mean, this should honestly be the episodes, I think.
Yeah. Yes. Oh. Item is storable in. Oh, what's happening here? Okay. Okay. So no widget controller on something. Great.
In the delivery box.
I think we will need to have like a session of bug bashing after we introduce so many new things again.
Yeah. It's probably a way that, professional game developers do this, you think?
Probably yes.
Yeah.
No,
Maybe
they just
Ian
do
would
that without bugs.
They do it without bugs. Yeah, that's fair.
Items
There's no
stored.
bugs ever in game development.
Why the hell is this one the one that fires?
Widget controller. Isn't the widget controller super old?
Yeah, exactly. It's like it's on every single product. Okay, wait.
Oh, the products are the widgets.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
So widget controller. Yeah, this one has a widget controller. So the big question is why can't it find the widget controller? There are a few things we need to fix right now. There's one as well. I think when you end the game with workers, we need the new animations somehow mess with the save system, and we need to figure that out. So there are a few things that need to be fixed. So Max, if you want to play it, maybe wait until next week. Now that I'm seeing that especially when you get to the stage with the people, you will probably encounter a lot of bugs.
Oh no! Look at that. Oh right, that should be the key art.
Oh yes, with the red dots. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, that's honestly the vibe that we're after, no?
Yeah, exactly. I like as well that this one guy is supporting 3 office workers that don't really contribute to making money,
They're just
like
sitting
in
there.
real life.
Yeah. That's how it is. So maybe you can go into what we're focusing on now or something.
Yes.
Just like a brief, what are our pain points, and are we saying when we're aiming for releasing and all that stuff?
No.
Okay.
I have
cool.
been with too many game projects.
I love that I'm pressuring myself here.
Yes, exactly.
Am I saying should I?
We will make sure that the game is ready to be. Ooh, this is also.
That is cool. Oh my god, that is amazing.
Yeah, you can from the outside.
Like, how is it to be a computer? In the
I'm sure
1990s?
this is exactly
Now you
what
know.
you see, like people just staring at you, or like,
Look at
what is
how
he
he's
looking at?
smiling.
He really likes the garbage can. Like he's really like smiling at that garbage can.
Oh my god, that's hilarious. But it adds so much, right? To
Yes.
just have a little bit of emotion. No?
What's he doing?
He's also looking away though.
He's looking like he's going to kill someone afterwards. Something
Yeah, that's true.
very dark happened.
Yeah.
No, so I was what I'm focusing on right now, or what we are focusing on right now is one, we want to get the bug fixing going. There have been, because we introduced so many new things in the last 2-3 weeks, we need to make sure that
Bro loves garbage.
Who doesn't, right?
Yeah. Sorry, continue.
Like
Oh my god.
what?
Yeah,
Oh
it's
wait,
too
wait.
funny.
it could also be the cat food.
He's really hungry. Yeah.
Well, what time is
Oh,
it?
poor
It's,
guy.
I mean, yeah, it's still an hour to lunch, and he probably wants to.
Well, maybe he skipped the breakfast. Yeah. You never know.
Mm, the-
Office workers, man.
yes, always jealous of the office cat. Um, so that's one big thing. Thirst for the garbage. The thirst continues. We have also a small garbage can. Maybe it's not set up yet with the furniture control and everything, but maybe in the future. Does he have a name? Sample text as well.
That's a good name.
We can put it there. Give good Sir Mr. Sample text his own garbage can. And then the thing I showed you yesterday is, and we still need to discuss this with Ian if we want to do this, is seeing if we can spice up the packing routine. Right at the moment, you just click or something, do that. Do you think I should show it or not? Something that
I think you should show it.
Okay.
Yeah. Unfiltered streams. That's what we're after.
Yes. So again, this might not make it into the final game, but basically the idea was you spend a lot of time with the packing routine, and at least on stream, one thing that I thought was a lot of fun was the mini game as well for the garbage. So why not have a few more mini games that you can then probably also just turn off. So hi Ian, if you're watching, this is new for you too. But wait, let me make it big actually so you can see properly. But the idea is to add like small mini games, like where you perfect tape first try.
Oh my god.
Where you then basically get the stars are not only based on what you put in there and if you deliver it in time, but it's also based on how well you do these things. And the idea would be to have like this kind of mini game. Then the next one I will prototype a mini game for filling the packing peanuts into the box. That's probably very physics based, and we probably just have this one continue how it is right now, because it seems a bit weird that you would get points based on where you place it on the box. Like there shouldn't be a objective better place to put it than any other box. Oh, this is another bug.
Yeah.
But with the peanuts, you basically secure the thing, and then with the tape, it makes sense that you will place something. And for example, now I didn't put any items in, so they were not very happy. Because actually they're complaining that the items were broken because we didn't put the peanuts in. Another bug.
It was you who chose to make a simulation game, man.
Yes. Do you think the bugs would have been better in other games?
Yeah, it depends. Depends on the game you make, I think. But no, you're actually right. I think it's game development.
Yeah, like, and again, a lot of those bugs are bugs that were probably fixed very quickly. The things with the workers, there's some null reference where probably you just need to update the things. This one is, I bet I just need to put the asset up a little bit and then it works and doesn't turn red. Like it's a lot of those things where it's just like fine tuning after you put something in. Cool. So we're coming up to the end of the hour. So do you have any last words?
Last words before I die, or
I mean,
what's the
I was going for
happening
last
here?
words before ending the stream. Anything you want to say? But that's okay. That's okay. Wait,
No,
before you say
no, I don't
anything,
think so. Yeah,
Max
continue.
wrote something. Thoughts on having orders go out at the end of the day. I want to see a giant stack of boxes ready to ship to marvel at the work I did. Very satisfying to see the accomplishments stacked up. So
It's like he knows.
Yes, it's like he knows. So one of the things that we want to implement, like midterm, is the delivery truck you saw in the small warehouse actually is supposed to fulfill a function. And the idea is that you stack the boxes here instead of them shipping out immediately, and then at a certain...
You don't see the screen.
Oh yeah, wait, sorry. That's a very bold statement from you, but okay. uh, you stack the boxes in the delivery zone, so you drop them off like normal, but they just create a big stock. And then once a day at around 5, the doors open and the truck stands there, and then you need to load them into the truck. And some of your workers can also help you with that. And the idea is basically you try to get everything ready just before the deadline when the truck hits, and then you still need to put them in, and probably just throw them as quickly as possible. Um, and but this will actually go into a lot of different systems we have right now, so we will want to be in a very good space before we implement that and not have so many
exactly.
bugs.
We want to make sure we fix the game fully and then break it fully with this new feature so that we have more work to do.
So
that's the idea of it, right?
Yeah, Max also just said he's been thinking a lot about the simulation games, to your comment about that he's coming up with the same ideas.
Yeah.
So
I mean, he's a smart man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So now back to the other one. Thank you very much, Max, for tuning in, and and all the other ones. We're not having a lot of views yet, but hopefully that changes in the future. And thanks for joining us, Robin.
Thank you, Luca.
Yes,
and Max.
Hopefully we have.
And Ian. Ian was there too, I think.
Ian. Okay. Then hi, Ian. Good. Then talk to you next week. As always, wait, it's 9 o'clock CEST every Thursday. Bye, guys.
Yes. See you then. Bye-bye.